Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to All in AI. First of all, happy Rakhi Purnima to all my sisters and brothers. In this auspicious day, let me generate a greeting card on Rakhi Purnima to all my sisters and brothers by using vibe coding. Here, now I am using a large language model called Claud AI, which is developed by Anthropic, which is most powerful than ChatGPT. Let me use Claude AI to generate a greeting card by using vibe coding. Just enter a prompt to generate a greeting card. Generate a greeting card on Rakhi Purnami. Wishes to all my sisters and brothers. Regards with my name. With my name. First, generate a greeting card with animations with big button. Once I clicked on it, reveal the wishes in two lines with animations. Use colors like green and orange with stylish fonts and animations. Just click enter. Wait for few seconds to generate greeting card. This is called vibe coding. Without writing a single code, I'm going to generate a greeting card by using Claude AI. Wait for a few more seconds to see the greeting card. Still, it's generating. See, simply it's generated Rakhi Purnima wishes greeting card. Click on button. See, may this Rakhi Purnima strengthen our bonds of love and care. Wishing you joy, prosperity, and endless blessings. Regards, Purushottam Satar. See, simply we generated a greeting card by using vibe coding with animations. This is called vibe coding. Just I used a large language model called Claude AI, which is most powerful than ChatGPT, which is built by using more tokens than ChatGPT, developed by the company called Anthropic. This is all about vibe coding. Once again, happy Rakhi Purnima to all my sisters and brothers. If you like the video, please like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you so much.